Welcome to Jobs and Careers, Telangana Flash News 24/7. NIFT recruitment notification, National Institute of Fashion Technology recruitment notification. Recruitment for the post of Junior Translation Officer JTO. Direct recruitment on contract basis. Total 16 vacancies and the contract period will be for 5 years depending upon the performance and requirement of the company. And there are 16 campuses of NIFT located across the country and one vacancy each in campuses located across the country. Before we go into the details of this notification, those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Tap on the bell icon after you subscribe to get instant updates to your mobile. First, Junior Translation Officer category of vacancies. UR category 8, SC2, ST1, OBC 4, EWS 1. Total 16 vacancies including PWD 2 vacancies and one each in campuses located at Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad, Jodhpur, Kangra, Kannur, Calcutta, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Raebareli, Shillong and head office. And educational qualifications, master's degree. Different combinations are given here. Master's degree in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject and vice versa. There are different combinations in this. You can go through these eligibility criteria. You can go through these qualifications and age limit is 30 years as on last date of receipt of application. Application through online mode only. It started on June 15th only it started and will end on 10th August. And there is no age limit for NIFT employees working on regular and long-term contract basis. First, go through this educational criteria and age relaxation for reservation candidates. SC/ST is 5 years age relaxation and OBC is 3 years age relaxation. And selection is through written test, which consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is grammar part and paper 2 is composition. Application fee is 500 for general OBC EWS male candidates only, whereas for the female candidates and candidates belonging to SC/ST PWD category, fee is exempted. You can go through these details and any Indian national is eligible provided they fulfill the eligibility criteria. And also the candidates who had applied for the post of junior Hindi translator against earlier NIFT advertisement in 2019, they need not apply again as their candidature shall be considered as per the eligibility conditions. Rest all details you can go through. There will be a link in the video description. Click on the link. This page will be displayed. Read all the instructions carefully before you apply. Application is through online mode only, started on 15th June and will end on 10th August. Along with the application, also upload the following documents, copies of documents without fail. Also share the video with your friends who are eligible for these vacancies. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel. This channel provides you with latest and instant updates on education and jobs every day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.